Hey ghouls, transforming myself into Pennywise today. Gonna get rid of these eyebrows first, so I'll be gluing those down with a purple Elmer's glue stick. Oh yeah, now we're talking. I'm using Mehron Clown White Light for the base and applying that all over my face with a makeup sponge. Now setting everything in place with a white powder. Gonna add some eyebrows. I'm drawing on thin arched brows using a dark gray eyeshadow, just enough to give that eerie Pennywise shape. Now for the iconic Pennywise lines, I'm taking a red eyeshadow and sketching them out first. This just makes it easier to adjust and get the symmetry right before fully committing. Once the lines are mapped out, I'm switching to red water-based paint and filling everything in. I'm really exaggerating that bottom lip to get that creepy Pennywise grin. And of course, gotta add that classic red clown nose. Lining my waterlines with a black pencil to darken everything up. Next, taking the last remains of black I have in this palette, gonna cover my eyelids and under my eyes. Going back to that same black pencil I was just using, I'm cleaning up the edges around my eyes. Then I'm setting that in with black eyeshadow and blending it out, adding extra shading under the eyes and along the edges to give that tired, menacing Pennywise stare. I'm also adding a little shading around the nose and the lower lip to make the face look more dimensional. Also adding a little bit of shadow here and then blending it out slightly with a sponge. Bloody, bloody blood. Now for the fun part. I want Pennywise to look freshly fed, so I'm going in with fake blood and stippling it around the red lines and mouth. Adding some splatter and smudges around the eyes too. The messier the better. Next, going in with a coagulated blood and using this little guy to apply it. This stuff is darker and thicker and gives that clotted, realistic look that makes everything look extra disturbing. Once I'm all bloodied up, I'm finishing with yellow contacts, a coat of mascara, and my Pennywise teeth from Dental Distortions. And Pennywise is complete. Creepy, bloody, and ready to float.